The frame rails are straight. The collision didn't bend the frame. Structural deformation confirmed. We'll need to get this on a frame machine to see how bad it really remains. The rear is in better shape than the front. Boot floor is solid, just surface rust. The rear bumper is scratched but salvageable. These clips are all brittle. They're gonna break. We'll need new ones. The grille is off. The badge is almost gone. This whole thing needs to be restored or replaced.
Okay, pull back easy.
Watch the master cylinder. Clear. Let's get it on the stand. Four nuts off, one more to go.
This one's seized, but I got it.
This is the worst of the floor pan rust. We're gonna cut this entire section out and weld in. Wheel arch is rusted through. We need to cut out this section and weld in new metal. The rocker panels have surface rust and pitting. We'll treat these with rust converter and primer. They don't need to be cut out, just treated and sealed. The battery tray is gone. It's rusted through. We'll cut it out and weld in a new one. Subscribe Back 2 Road Garage and press the bell icon to get notified first for the next video we upload. The frame rails are straight. The collision didn't bend the frame. The chassis is solid. This is a huge win for the project. Wipers are working, front and rear, all good.
Power windows are working. Front and rear, all good.
Horn is working. Loud and clear. This is the moment the car becomes what it's meant to be. The shell is prepped and primed, it's time for the color. Fire red, this is what makes the color pop and protects it for decades. Fire red AJ4, the original color. I'm mixing it exactly to factory specification. This is the color this car was born with. Just a tiny touch up on this edge. Now it's perfect. Subscribe Back 2 Road Garage and press the bell icon to get notified first for the next video we upload. Paint is loaded. The first pass is about to go on. This is where it all changes. The paint is perfect. No orange peel, no runs, no imperfections. Showroom quality. Fire red AJ4 had exactly as it should be.
This is the SR20 DET. This is what we're rebuilding.
The deck surface is within spec. The block is in good shape. It's ready for honing and assembly. Valve cover is torqued. The engine is assembled. It's ready for the final touches. "98% of viewers leave without a like, comment, or share. Be part of the 2%. This SR20T is fully rebuilt. If you want to see it go back in the car, hit that like button.
This is the new harness, fully restored to factory specification. The old harness is gone. The electrical system is about to be reborn.
Taillights are working. Brake lights too. The lighting system is fully restored. Headlights are working. The circuit is good. First test passed. Complete system validation, all circuits are green. Voltage is stable. The electrical system is perfect.
These connectors are new. No corrosion. Every terminal is clean. This harness will last another 30 years.
The HVAC system is working. The climate control is restored. The interior will be comfortable. ECU has power. The engine management system is ready. The engine will run.
Cigarette lighter is working. Another circuit complete.
Instrument cluster is working. Gauges are lit. The car is waking up.
Headliner is in. The cabin is almost complete. Power windows are working. Front and rear, all good.
The interior is done. The cabin is reborn. It's beautiful. Fuel pressure is good, 45 psi. She's ready.
She's out, she's free. The first drive begins.
This is what we do. This is why we work so hard. This car was a wreck, now it's a masterpiece.
Subscribe Back to Road Garage and press the bell icon to get notified first for the next video we upload.